Hey there. I just wanted to say how much I do like a solar pool supply. I got a, solar panel kit, the Swim Easy Max Performance kit, a couple years ago, and it's been excellent. I could swim my pool in Florida, in Melbourne, Florida, in the middle of January. It was working so well. I ended up buying a total of 5 panels. I had to do a reinstall last year because I got a new roof on my house. So afterwards, I had to order additional parts for the install, and I had a company come out, and of course they brought some of their own supplies. And then when it came time when I had extra supplies, I was able to return them. They gave me all my money back. I sent for I paid for the postage, but then they said something about they charge a 20% restock fee, and they didn't charge that. They took everything back, and I got my money back for the parts that I didn't use. Anyway, I've had the panels now for a couple of years, and I can't be happier. So, okay, well, uh, anyway, I would give them 5 stars. Okay.